Welcome to Empire Talk, the space where love, wealth, success, and power are not separate stories. They are one living empire. My name is Eunice Iriwole, and today I'm about to show you how to take the pain that was meant to break you and turn it into the presence that will make you unstoppable. The world doesn't just want you tired. It wants you exhausted from healing. It wants you so busy explaining, proving yourself, and fixing that you forget you were already old. But what if you could take betrayal, heartbreak, burnout, and turn it into a force that is steady? The same people who doubted you will have to bow to it. That is emotional alchemy, and once you mastered it, you will never be the same. There was a season in my life when lost hit me like a wave. Friendship ended. Opportunity vanished. People I loved betrayed me from left to right. Hold me will have spared talking it out with anyone who had listened. Trying to make sense of it, searching for closure, talking to people, want to prove myself to people. But instead, I got still. I let silence out. I let the grief teach me. And then something happened. My presence started speaking louder than my story. The same people who thought that the crumble began to tiptoe around me because they could feel it. I had turned my pain into gravity. I'm going to tell you 3 things you need to do today to turn your pain into gravity. Number 1, 3 emotional blocks that keep you reactive, which is the need to be understood. You need to release this. When you stop making yourself healing in a group project, then the fear of being misread. You release this when you realize you can't control the version of you that lives in someone else's mind, in someone else's brain, in someone else's heart. The habit of over-processing, you release this when you let the lesson reveal itself in time, not in explanation. Number 2, the alchemy shift. Pain is raw material. When you process it in stillness, it becomes wisdom, becomes narrative becomes influence. And number 3, the presence rituals. Every morning ask yourself, what am I holding on to that is making me? What am I ready to release so my energy is clear? How do I want to be fed before I am heard today? This week, take one painful memory you have been replaying in your head and stop telling it. Stop telling everyone. Not because it doesn't matter, but because you're giving it a new ending. Instead of reliving it, sit with it, breathe into it, let it shape you into the version of you that enters every room as the storm and the calm at the same time. If you like this, don't keep it to yourself. Post it, tag a sister, because when women learn how to alchemize pain into presence, we stop passing down our wounds and start passing down our wisdom. We are women who carry the weight and still walk light. We are women who turn grief into gravity, and we women the world can unsee even when we say nothing at all. This is not just healing, it is transformation. You know how to do it, you can never go back.